Hi, everyone.
Hello.
Thanks for joining. I'm just going to put your microphones on mute for the moment because we're recording the session and I'd like to share it with the other ambassadors. So we need as little noise pollution as possible. So it's 7, so I'm just going to hop into the presentation and then I'll let more people into the room as people are showing up. So let's get started. First off, I should introduce myself. My name is Sarah and I'm a part of the Ocean team. I'm the one that's been emailing you about welcoming you to the program and being excited to have you guys on board. My role at Ocean is handling creative assets for the marketing team and also a bit of community management in regards to the ambassadors. So I'm one of 2 team leads for the ambassador program. The other one is Yvonne, who is based in Singapore. I'm based in Berlin. So if any of you guys are ever in Berlin and you want to stop by the office, definitely I encourage you to stop by and meet the team. We're more than happy to have you. I think Emily will also, Emily's also on the call. I'm sure you guys know her from Telegram if you're active on Telegram. She handles the bulk of communications for Ocean and also is managing the community of over 13,000 people that we've built. So say hi to Emily. So I'm just going to jump into this presentation so we don't lose too much time. So, Ocean Protocol in 100 words. Essentially, Ocean is a decentralized data exchange protocol, and we're hoping to equalize access to data for all in order to advance AI research. You guys got this presentation in your email, so I'm not going to read every single word out loud, but I just want you to know that our main goal, our main vision here is to free data from silos and let the data be open for people of all different backgrounds or people that are working in various industries to use for whatever reasons, and also encouraging the safe and secure sharing of data. Moving forward, our ecosystem and our community and stakeholders is quite expansive. So it's ranging from our team of advisors. I think we have over 30 advisors now, to our team of developers, both on our physical team at Ocean and the developers in our open source community. We have a lot of infrastructure partners, and we're partnering with governments. For example, the IMDA office in Singapore. This is one of our earliest partnerships. If you guys have any other questions about that, just let me know, or you can drop a question in the chat and I'll make sure to address it. So, the ambassador program, what we're looking for is people who are just as passionate as we are and share the same vision as we do to unlock data for AI. And as an Ocean Protocol ambassador, your purpose is to help us spread the awareness of the importance of having a data economy and educating people about what a data economy actually consists of. So it's kind of a hard topic to grasp if you're not in the space. So what we'd like to do is to kind of bring it down to a level where people can understand and make it applicable to their everyday lives so they can see how it is affecting them on a regular and a very real basis. I'm just having some problems seeing this. All right. So as an program participant, there are a few things that we have to make very clear to you guys for legal reasons, because we don't want to get caught in any sticky situations. So as an Ocean Protocol ambassador, you are not an employee of Ocean Protocol, first and foremost. You are also not allowed to negotiate legal obligations on behalf of Ocean Protocol. Something that people are really curious about, can I earn tokens as an Ocean ambassador? Yes, you can earn tokens for sure through various activities, but you are not entitled to get paid for your work as an ambassador. It's essentially a volunteer program. Like, you're passionate about the data economy, so you're helping us kind of kickstart it and raise awareness. We're more than happy to reward you with tokens for taking on certain tasks like hosting a meetup or writing a blog post or translating a blog post, but there is certainly no entitlement there. Last but not least, an Ocean ambassador is not allowed to claim that they are a member of the core Ocean team when representing Ocean. So if you are ever speaking on behalf of Ocean at an industry event or at a regional meetup, something like this, it's fine for you to speak for our cause, but you have to make it quite clear that you are not a member of the team. All right, moving forward. So, what would you do as an Ocean ambassador? The activities are quite wide-ranging. It can go from just starring all of our repositories on GitHub. Lately, we've had a lot of ambassadors translating blog posts because we've just launched our International Ocean Protocol blog for our community worldwide. Recently, we've had ambassadors take up the task of managing local chats, which has been really great and really rewarding for us because we can clearly see that the ambassadors are not only knowledgeable about Ocean and about the topic, but they're really passionate about it, and they're more than able to stand up or address the community when need be, or when there's a tough situation at hand. So the program path, there are 3 levels to being an Ocean ambassador. The first level is being an attaché, and essentially we just want you to get a better feel for what it's like to be in the community, and we want you to accomplish a series of tasks that are really, like, there's a super low barrier to get through the first level. It's really menial tasks, to be honest. It's quite easy. You can do it in a day if you just set aside an hour. And level 2, the envoy level, is a bit heavier. This is when you really want to make an impression on your region and start to get to know the community in your area a bit more. And that's leading up to the last level, ambassador. And so at this point, you've earned the official title of Ocean Protocol ambassador, and you're able to do a lot more at this level. We not only invite you to our annual summit, which will be hosted later this year, but you'll be able to meet with our team members. We'll host regular calls with the team and other various tasks. So I will go through in more detail what the tasks are, but I just want to say that if you guys ever have any suggestions as to how we can improve the program or tasks that you feel are more tailored to your specialties, we're more than open to hearing those ideas. This is only the second wave of ambassadors that we're introducing, so the program is very, very new, and it's always in a state of improvement. So whatever ideas you have, please feel free to reach out to us, either at ambassadors@oceanprotocol.com or directly to me at sarah@oceanprotocol.com. So, the first level, attaché, you have to complete 4 of these tasks. I won't go through each of them individually, but if you guys have any questions there, just let me know, and I'll be happy to answer them. For each level, there's at least 1 mandatory task, and for the first level, that task is to star our repositories on GitHub. Second level, you have to complete 3 of the following tasks. It takes quite a bit of time at this level, but I think it kind of goes along with many of your work or school schedules, so there's really no rush to kind of speed through the program. You can work through it at your own pace. You can Definitely take your time doing it, and don't be afraid to ask for help if you're having difficulty making your way through, or if you feel like you've come to a standstill. At the last level, ambassador, there's opportunity for you to do quite a lot. You can speak at industry events, you can host a technical workshop or hackathon, and organize a local meetup. We've actually kicked off a series of data economy meetups across the world. So from La Paz, Bolivia, to Singapore, to Seoul, to San Francisco, we have data economy meetups, essentially, which you're more than welcome to use to talk about Ocean, but also other things that are contributing to the data ecosystem. We're interested in hearing from not only our partners and collaborators, but people that we feel make the ecosystem more reputable. So as an ambassador, what do you earn? So it's pretty straightforward. You'll have access to a Telegram channel that is dedicated specifically for ambassadors. And there you'll be able to talk to your fellow ambassadors. And it's quite an interesting chat. There's people from a lot of different backgrounds, and a lot of different topics are flowing around there. So it's quite interesting. You'll also have the opportunity to have exclusive team briefings with Ocean team members, which can range from a lot of topics. Last month, we hosted a AMA on our roadmap with our growth and product manager, which was quite interesting. At a certain level, you'll get to earn Ocean swag, which I think it's earned at the Envoy level, and we'll send a personalized swag package to your address. And then finally, when you earn the title of ambassador, you'll be able to join us in Berlin, or I think maybe teleconference in, depending on how the summit works out for our annual summit. I'm just going to pause for a moment because it seems as if Emily's having a bit of trouble logging in. All right, so I'm gonna hop back in. All right. Do we have any questions so far? I know it's a lot of information to digest, and maybe you guys didn't have the opportunity to read through the slide deck that I sent over. No question?
No.
Actually, I have a question.
Go for it.
Hello.
Hi, Priyank. Yeah, you can ask your question. Go ahead.
Actually, I just want to know. Actually, my field is regarding marketing. I'm from marketing field and experience in 1.5 years. So in crypto, so I just want to know that you said in your AMA that there's no paid for Ocean's ambassador, but I just want to know if I write blogs or making a videos, or then it could be free or it could be paid,
So for
because making a blog and making a video is highly professional, and we just want to clarity regarding this.
So for the blogs, we don't pay. I'm just going to mute your mic quickly. We don't provide compensation for any of the tasks. What we do is we airdrop tokens for tasks such as hosting a meetup or organizing a meetup, something that takes quite a bit of effort. In your personalized case, if you choose to do a video project on Ocean, the first step will be to get approval from us at the team to make sure that it's something that we'd be interested in having, and then moving forward from there. So that would be handled on a case-by-case basis. But yeah, just to make that clear, there's no quote-unquote compensation, but if it's something that is quite a heavy burden of a task, we'll definitely consider rewarding you with an airdrop. Any other questions?
No. Not from my side.
All right, cool. So I'm just gonna move forward. So a common question that we were asked when we started the program is, if I've already done some activities, do they count towards the program? And the answer is yes. The tasks that have been outlined in the program will be retroactively considered and counted towards your activity in the program. So if you already have been really active on our channels, and if you're a developer and you've already been super active on our GitHub and start the repos, then we'll consider those tasks and we'll count them towards your program participation. The next frequently asked question is, how and when do I prove that I completed necessary tasks? So when you're working on a level, you need to complete all of the activities on that level, or the number of tasks on that level that you need to complete. And then you would send over the proof of completion to ambassadors@oceanprotocol.com. And the proof of completion can be anything from a screenshot to a picture of you at a meetup, etc. It just needs to show that you've done what you said you've done. And then we'll keep track of everything on our records. And once you've sent over the proof of completion, we'll take a look at it. And if it's substantial, or if it's proving that you've done everything, then we'll move forward and say that you can head on to the next level. And if not, we'll send an email back saying, actually, you need to work on this item or this item. And yeah, we'll just work from there. Please, for sanity's sake, for my sanity, don't send each individual task that you've completed in a separate email. It's really hard to keep track of this way, and also things get lost in our inbox all the time. There's always a wave of emails coming in. So just keep it for one level, all the proof in one email. And I think that's essentially the end of the presentation. The next steps for you guys include, if you choose to move forward with the program, you might consider updating your LinkedIn profile to reflect your participation in the program. And then you can get started on your first task, which would be to star the repositories on our GitHub. Make sure to send us your Telegram handle so we can add you to the ambassador group. And yeah, keep an eye out on your email. Next week, we'll send the official ambassador manual and toolkit, which essentially gives you more insight into the team, the project, and some advice on how to move forward through the program, and in regards to hosting events or meetups or speaking at events, there's some tips and tricks there as well. If you guys have any questions, now would be the time to ask. Otherwise, I think we have to hop off the call in about 5 minutes. Emily, do you have anything that you want to add?
Hi there, this is Emily. I work with the Ocean community a lot and in all the channels. Our ambassador program is really active. We have a lot of really engaged people, and we're looking to add all the time. I have to say, since we've started this ambassador program, our community has just become so much richer and so much more interesting and vibrant. And we're really keen to kind of add to that and have everyone's individual flavor kind of help our community grow. So thank you so much for your interest. Yeah, and we're really glad that you're keen. And that's it from my end.
Thanks, Emily. If you guys don't have any other questions, then I'll leave you to your days. If anything comes to mind over the weekend, you can just shoot me a quick email at sarah@oceanprotocol.com, and I'll be happy to reply back to you. If not, yeah, I'd like to say thank you for joining us, and we're excited to have you on the program.
Yeah, thanks for allowing us to be part of to be part of like this community. It's super like it's always like cool of talking to you guys on like Telegram. It's like really entertaining. So yes, it's not exactly a question, but it's a comment, I guess.
I love it. You're on Telegram, so I've probably spoken to you. What's your Telegram?
Multiple times.
What's your Telegram handle, or do you not want to out yourself?
Do I want to tell you?
You can think about it. You don't have to tell me right now.
Okay. Maybe I'll DM you or something. And then
Okay,
I'm pretty sure you know. Like I'm pretty sure you know. But yeah.
Well, either way, thanks for being a part of that conversation.
Yeah.
It's always helpful to have some voices of reason in that community.
Of course, it's so fun. It's like super entertaining to like talk to like. Do I? You know what? I'm going to reserve judgment to myself. You guys know my like full name, so I'll wait. You know, I'll wait.
Well, thanks for being a part of the community. It's great to know that you're interested in being an ambassador as well.
Oh, most definitely. But like, yeah, thanks for like having me. Like, yeah, for sure. Yeah, but yeah, that's it.
All right, thanks. Any other comments? All comments, questions, or suggestions are welcome. I'll give you guys another minute, and if not, just thanks and have a good weekend, and I guess we'll see you on Telegram.
Bye, guys. Take care.
All right, bye.
Bye.
Bye.